Alright. If you know me, I like clothes, yeah. And, you know, I was just getting the Peppermon ones. I accidentally got 3 more. Reverse, unlocked by getting John Gutter with a D rank under 4 minutes. Yeah. I just want to test out. Critic, unlocked by defeating Pepperman without wasting a single bomb. I did it off camera because I couldn't do it on camera. I was pretty bad at it, I guess. Comedian, unlocked by breakdance for 10 seconds during any boss fight. And Banana, unlocked by slipping on bananas 10 times in a playthrough. And Noise TV, unlocked by getting enough combo to have a noise. And I guess we have a lot to do. Let's just meet the vigilante. That's cool. That's cool. Well, the elevator's gone, so let's make some noise. Yes. I might just main these clothes, you know, these are pretty tough. I just killed Pepperman. Feeling good, feeling great. Whee! Let's try Critic if we're gonna main the brown clothes. Because I main Peppino with the brown clothes, but yeah, let's check this out. I got Pepperman colors, bro. Green and red. Die, I am the noise. Okay, I'm feeling it. Yeah, it's pretty much my fault for getting a load of clothing off camera. But hey, I can admit it was pretty cool. I am speeding through. I know there's one specific achievement to get in this I haven't got yet. Well, I think so anyway. I don't know. Nope. I'm dead. Just give me in. Yeah, these are cool, you know. That's what I love about the noise update so far. You get clothes for not wasting a single bomb. Now I'm just Pepperman. This is Pepperman. Oh wait, what does it look like? Oh, he enjoys it. He definitely enjoys it.
I love spicy food. Ugh.
Mark, okay. Just get me out there. Die. No. Already not supposed to do, yeah, that dance. I wonder if we'll do good on the noise. Thank you. Fried chicken, Gangnam Style. I wonder if I lost my combo yet. I think I have. But I know there's I found out earlier, like yesterday, that I need a cow print clothing, and that sounds pretty cool, I guess. But like, I gotta get hit by every cow. And is that worth it? Yeah. So we're just gonna get beaten up. Thank you, and thank you. Now I need let me up, please. Oh, that P rank's gone, but hi, at least we tried. Thank you. You can't hurt me, bro. I am the noise. There's the in the name. Or Theodore, or whatever the fuck his name was. Gotta get secret. Get me in. Here's a fork, I just noticed that.
I love spicy food.
Boom. Secrets. I got 2 toppings so far. Oh yeah, I got to do that in it. Just jump me, bro. I deserve it. Anything for cow clothing? Am I right, fellas? This is a pain, you know that. You know how much suffering I'm doing right now. Well, we both know we're never getting that achievement. The one we do the reverse, just don't get touched by a cow. Why are you everywhere? Go away. Cow. Cow. Cow, cow. All I'm seeing is cows. Worth. Whoops. Whoops. Well, time to get the pizza. Just jump me, bro. Win bar. Yay. Oh, I'm not supposed to get that. Fuck. Alright, just get me out. Hey, can you beat me up real quick? We can do this. We can get the... What's up here? Oh, it's Jerome. Oh, I thought that was a secret. Well, wee. Yes, indeed. Let's go. This is a pain, bro. Oh, I just know I need him. It's just let me do this first. This is where the last ones are, right?
Ow.
Oh. Thanks for killing my joy. No. Alright. Just let me. Alright. Almost every cow, almost every single one. Oh hey, there's where the fuck are the rest? I need more. I guess I need more to find, or I skipped some. Which I do a lot. Thank you, I love spicy food. Thanks, my beautiful wife. Help me gain the pleasure of escaping. Yeah, I'm not even gonna finish. Bring the noise. Did I miss one? I don't believe I didn't get every single cow. Somehow I didn't get every single cow. Somehow I missed some. How do I miss a cow? They're massive. massive. Alright, let's just do this. It took 8 minutes of my... Well, my camera just went out. No, not camera, I meant volume. We're gonna change clothes, I don't care. I don't want to be... You know what, yeah, let's be funny.
I love it.
Da-ma-da! Special custom with the chicken. I wonder how the noise handles more the chicken. Yeah, this clothes go hard, you know. I can low-key see the appeal. More, where are you? It is me, the noise. Ready to help you with your morting deeds? I don't know. I can really do this. Okay. Thanks. That's a secret. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, this helped. How did I do? Okay. Somehow I fucked that up. Just give me my... Well, that was worth every second. Nothing. Okay, thanks. Mort! Oh, I don't. Well, that TV explains a lot. Let's go. Abuse. Animal abuse at its finest, bro. That's horrible. I shouldn't have said that. What is that? Ooh. I've never met this before, but cool. I found the Mort Cube. It really proves that I'm the best. Just gonna go. This is such a chill level. I wonder what the noise would be at golf, because that's a pretty chill level. I was doing something else then. Didn't mean to do it. Oh my god, Jerome, I know where your door is. I think. Oh, I love this. I'm so good. I'm so cracked. Oh, I hate that. Beep 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 beep. What the hell did I just do? Would I be... Am I a kid's channel? I don't see myself as one, but I definitely don't see myself as a adult quality. Am I a teens only channel?
Teens only, dude.
I'll just wait until I'm 30. Something will change. I know something will change. Oh, hi, John. Don't mind me. Bro, his stupid little noise, he keeps stealing my drip. Do we play as him? Is he the Gustavo? So we got Mr. Stick, and that's noise up. So I get to play as him. That's P. I actually never got that one either. Oh, cool. I hope we save you again, Mort. That would be horrible if we didn't. We saved everyone, actually. Not everyone, we didn't save these guys, because, you know, fuck them, am I right? Oh, no more.
Bring the noise.
Let's go. He's so slippery. How do I work this character? Look, I like him. He's pretty chill. I think he's better than Peppino a little bit. Only because his clothing is corn.
Oh my god.
Remember that one kid back in like 2021 or 2022? I don't know. He sang a song about corn. And it went like... I don't know how it went. Oh my god, complete fun farm while avoiding getting hurt with Morton. I did get hurt, you liar. Well, I got the achievement anyway, so. I'm so good. Well, this just proves how peak I am as the nose. And we will not die as on Vigilante, I'm telling you now. That's a promise. Bye, Pepperman. Bye, Pepperman. Banana, NTV, or... Oh, that's... Yeah, screw it. It will be banana noise. Be... Meatball. I hope we save you from the tower. You seem very important. There's more levels, aren't there? I refuse to go any other level without my... Yeah, there's this. Oh, we're gonna... Okay. Rest in peace. Not noise. What are the tasks? Oh, I need to go, like... 2. Hear the dead shall rise again. Babino, you made your last pie. I don't know. What am I doing? Oh yeah, surfing noise. Nope. Get wrecked. I'm bullying these guys, bro. What do you look like as a goat? Wow, this is beautiful. Ghost to noise, everyone. You shall rise again. Okay. No one is set free. I'd let down the undead. Oh. No. Oh. No. Ooh. You helped me. Cheeky bugger. You helped me, you fool. Hi. My god, I'm the noise. That sounds stupid. We're playing the noise update. Whatever the fuck you call it, the noise campaign. I called Peppino's a campaign. I'm calling this the campaign as well. I just flew, bro. We got Jerome. We have gang. Oh. These clothing certainly does go very immaculate. Okay. Combo's gone. But at least we're, the noise. At least we're noising it.
I'm noising it.
Okay, let's go now. The noise is dead. The noise shall not exist.
Feel my arrival.
Okay. God, why are the toppings flying? Do they really need that help? Why are they in cages if they can fly? Oh. Time to be dead again. Wow, I sure do love being a ghost. This is so Pizza Tower of them. Thank you, development team, for making me so Pizza Tower. Can I kill the... Okay. It was worth a shot. Try and hop over it. For my not paying attention viewers, I can see you. Alright. Just forget what I said. I can't. I don't think I can. I can see the views go up. I definitely can't see you in your beautiful luxury hat. Oh, if you don't have one, then I don't mind. I'm just happy you're here, bothering to enjoy whatever I upload. I have very good values. What does that mean? I am the noise, I am the noise, I am super fast, I am the noise, I am the noise, I'm so fast, I'm so chill, I'm the noise. I am the noise, I am so cool, I am the noise, I am the noise, you can suck my balls too. No, I just made those lyrics up. I am the noise, I'm the noise. Whack. Is it Wogue or Wag? Leave me alone, he's like a ex-stalker, bro. Just bring the noise. I was so close. I say cheater, cheater, candy eater, always in the theater. Okay, let's get out of there. Noise is so slippery, it's easy to get out of. Fuck you. I was gonna get that achievement, but then you ruined it. Let's just walk. Thank God it was the knife. You don't deserve this tongue. Wait, no. Bring the noise. Rule 34 of the noise. Whoa! Pizza tower? In my pizza tower? No way. The noise does not condone violence unless he's included. My pizza tower headcanon. Fuck. Let's just fly. Right. We're gonna fly away up there. We're not touching the ground challenge. I fucking didn't mean to do that. Oh, we are cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. I didn't mean to do that, guys. I'm dead honest. I did not mean to do that whatsoever. No, I'm not even joking. This is not a part of the video. This isn't even a bit. I actually didn't mean to go in there. Well, let's run. Now it's our time to run. That did not help whatsoever. Please, I didn't mean to go in there. I did not mean to go in there whatsoever. Okay, we're dead. Just admit, we're dead. We're here? No, you're here, sitting down watching us. Watching me fear and panic. Okay, yeah, wait, we can get out. We can get out. We are the noise, remember? The noise can never die. Unless someone shows up. I don't even care about this combo. Okay, yeah, bit about challenge. This is so slow. No! We have 10 seconds. We are fucked. Because this stupid ass nose is ruining my gameplay. Well, I got achievement at least. Leave me alone. Leave me. Okay. Nobody comment. Don't say anything. It's gonna be a very long episode. I swear if this becomes an hour long, you know, I'm speedrunning. We're speedrunning this, I don't even care, we just did all that. This is just John Gutter all over again. Whose fault is that? Not mine. This is someone else's fault. Yeah, let's speedrun this. See, we're already at the ghost part. You know, if I actually had, like, the reason to edit, you know, this wouldn't be a problem. It's probably why I don't get views. I just don't edit. You have no timer. We have all the time we need, but like we don't really have that because you know we still have well, we still do have the other ones to do. Just die. Why won't you die? See, I've already got all 3. All I need is 2 more. I missed something. What's up, dude? No, whoops, not my fault. See, you just saw me panic, but like, did I really have much of a choice? Did Pizza Head really, Pizza Face really have to do that? If you didn't see my original Peppino campaign, get out of here. You shouldn't be here. Where am I? Dude, I do not know the place of the noise. Am I supposed to go in here? Oh, I didn't. Raise the dead shall rise. Oh, hey, I got an achievement. Does that at least count as summit? Does that count as I'm not even gonna get Jerome. If anyone's wondering why I already went past him, he doesn't even matter. We're not gonna. I don't even know where it is. Hello, dude. Like, just move out the way. I am the noise better than noise. No, I can make it. Oh no. Listen, I listen to Pizza Tower the lyrics, but they're not. Dude, I sat far away, didn't I? I was like back in my seat. I should really sit like right in front of my camera. No, keep going on my front of my camera. Hi, John. Oh, fuck you, John. I don't have to be a ghost, but you made me become a ghost when you killed me. I'm purple just like you. Well, actually, you're more of a stupid purple. And I'm more of a, let's say, cooler purple. But why is he so fast? Fake Peppino is even faster than you. Wait, no, he's not. Fake Peppino's more slower than you. Why are you so fast? That was a mess up, but hey, we're still here. I can do it. 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 Yes. Self-motivation. 2 minutes, we can do it. It's only been like a minute. You know, what if I just did this for our episode? What if I just speed ran? Like, these videos would be at least 20 minutes long if I actually bothered. But no, I like to go slow and steady, just for you guys to enjoy. Which you probably don't, but look, just get me out, bro. Just get me out of this darn Pizza Tower. We're gonna be careful this time. I'm not going lap 2. Just realized we got every achievement. Well, 28 minutes in, and we're still on graveyard. We're still here. Right, it could be worse. We could be like... It's been 4 minutes. We did this for 4 minutes. That was quick. I thought that was quick. 4 minutes to me is nothing. Let's just change into something more appropriate. Like banana. You know, people have been... No. What do I care? Being Madman again. This one gives off good vibes. No alcoholism. Let's just get out of here. You're not speedrunning this. I don't want this video to go 40 minutes. God forbid 40 minutes. Well, made that easy. No. I'm fast enough. I don't need buttons. I'm the noise. Like, the noise doesn't use a button. We're out of it. We don't need it. I look so chill. The choice, bro. The chill noise. Sick ass spin, bro. Okay, never mind.
Do you remember the good old days?
Get me. Bro, I'm getting PTSD from the Pizza Head boss fight, bro.
The noise. You can do it. You're the no...
I refuse. Haha. You may be in the lead, I may give you a head start, but like, the noise doesn't take kindly to that. Oh. Come on, weenie.
Stupid weenies.
Okay. Monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. I don't have the monkey taunt, but like, I know there is one. This sucks. Is there no like taunt 50 times one? I definitely taunt a lot more than 50. Okay. Oh, I hate this one.
No!
Wait. I can fly, I forgot. You fucking kidding me? I was surviving and then I just had to do that stupid asshole thing. Okay. Come on, Noise, you can do it. You're the Noise. Die. Don't that count? Oh my god. What are you stupid ass rats gotta be everywhere I go? I can't have a moment of peace without you guys. Just go. I'm on a weenie anyway. It doesn't. I'm on a weenie. I'm on a weenie. I'm on a weenie. I unlocked a secret, and I didn't even mean to. I'm a tornado. Beep, 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 beep. I didn't even mean to find that as well. Now I got the key. Is Sugary Spy like this? Is Puzzle like this in the Sugary Spy again? After we complete the noise update, well, should we do Sugary Spy? Actually, I want to do Anton Ball, never mind. Sugary Spy can wait. Fuck, I didn't do it. I know there's a top in here. You don't need it. All you need is confidence. Okay, no you don't. Confidence isn't real. Don't believe in confidence. It's a myth. See the noise doesn't give a fuck, man. Look at him. Tell me there's a single ounce of dedication in that in those fucking filthy looking eyes. I'm hating the noise a lot, aren't I? Are we at 30 minutes? Yeah, we're 30 minutes. Come on. This is the last level. We can do it. Bye, Jerome. I'm not picking you up because you don't deserve it. I'm beefing out Jerome. I just killed him. I love killing this guy. He pisses me off. Oh. What did I just do? I felt a glitch. That bullet will go on forever. Where's the wall? Okay.
Noisy. Noisy, help me. I can't do this alone.
I love killing these guys. They're so cool. It's like an achievement. It's like a reward. Oh, there's the monkey taunt. They didn't get rid of it. I'm just hallucinating. Oh, didn't mean to do it good there. A rank or not? A rank or not? I'm better.
I prefer an SRP.
Would you prefer my nuts in your mouth? I did the Banjo-Kazooie thing. What did I just turned on my phone and I see, would my wife ever care if I was in the hospital? Alright, buddy. It's banana time. You know, I was gonna save that, but no, it's banana time.
Oh, my beautiful wife. I love you, my dear wife.
You know, okay, I hate this guy.
He may be the vigilante, but I am the banananti.
That didn't make sense. Banana noise. Oh yeah, I got bombs, I forgot. I can just like stab it. You have no clue. 2? I gotta do 2. I'm gonna abuse this power. This is straight up just bullying. I don't care. Yay! Lol. Death. Low-key, just spamming it, bro. What loser would do that? Okay. What loser just spams the same thing over and over again? Oh yeah, that's my entire role. You gonna stop? Alright, thanks. That was that took you a bit, didn't it? Oh my god! I love the detail they did with that. You don't deserve happiness. I say with a grin. Okay, go away. Okay, we can do this. We just gotta... Okay, I'm not even moving. I'm dead still. Didn't even press anything. Oh, cool, we got clothing out of that. No way, we just got that first try, but Pepperman we didn't. Well, it is kind of 2 hits, so... Okay, you're telling me it was that easy? Pepitos was... Okay, no, I got hit a couple of times.
Bad. Do better.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Noise. You can suck my dick, bro. That took me... That was pretty cool. 5 damage. Okay, yep. Oh, check out our new clothing. Where is it? Okay. Okay, now this is just like... This gives fudge. This just gives fudge. Oh, we did that. We did it underneath 40 minutes. Let's go. Okay, bye guys. Have a great one, and bye.